What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, in addition to my Theta Guardian node summary page if you're trying to stake your Theta token somewhere to earn as much T fuel as possible, as well as helping out the community and the network. I'll put the image here as I'm speaking, as well as down below in the description for those who want to use either the copy and paste method, or if you want to use the QR code here. Definitely comment down below of what you guys think about the whole Theta staking Guardian node. And just want to mention that if the Theta Guardian node page is about 500,000 for the max, I'm about 1/5 there. People are staking to the node if you want to feel a little more information about it, but I believe if that's true, I believe it's 500,000 Theta tokens. I believe that is true. So people are almost maxing it out. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm about 1/5 there, like I just said. So 20% is a nice, big, hefty number, and people are constantly staking to it. So in the last month or so, I think 3 or 4 individuals have staked it since I started posting to it. So definitely comment down below, guys, if you have or have not staked to a node yet, and I'm here for you guys, for the Theta community. That's the whole point of the channel. Going on to the Explorer page, we'll start off with the price and then move on to the information. The current price of Theta is at that 97-cent mark, as well as T-Fuel at that 4-cent mark, and T-Drop at that 0.0017 mark. Just another reminder, if you're new to the channel, that some of these prices may not reflect when these videos are actually posted, just because I do have a full-time job and just trying to organize a social life and a healthy lifestyle, that I do have to pre-record these a little ahead of time, unfortunately, with the price, but the news will stay the same. But unfortunately, the price may not reflect altogether that when you see it and when they're posted, is what I like to say. Going on to X, we'll see the price of Theta. Going on to X, we'll currently see what Theta can get you. So seeing here just a conversion rate, seeing that LAVITA token now available in several pairs, including Theta, thanks to Get Blaze Hunt mod at LAVITA Discord and David the Pumpkin Eater from the LAVITA's TG channel for the news. So it says Simple Swap crypto exchange. It's kind of nice because I use Simple Swap to get my Theta and T fuel. So it's nice seeing that it looks like about 100 Theta will get you about, it says 4,535. I feel like that's still a high number. Oh, I guess it depends on the conversion based on when the video was, or this image was posted. So it looks like January 21st of 2024. But I'm assuming this was going to be well, the post doesn't necessarily mean that's when the screenshot was taken. But as you can tell, based on the conversion rate, based on this image here, that it's a fair price. So if you're staking your LAVITA tokens, definitely comment down below if you're staking on that. But it's nice seeing that LAVITA is also getting noticed. If you go onto their chart, you'll see a huge spike from where it was. It was like 0.001 something. Now it's at 2 cents. Kind of crazy in terms of seeing the jump, but it's stayed pretty stagnant for the last couple of weeks, I would say. So definitely comment down below what you guys think about the LAVITA partnership, if you think that will do well in the future. Just want to show that to you guys, just because seeing that, it's nice seeing that Simple Swap is a pretty big exchange to my knowledge in terms of crypto, but it's just nice seeing that you are able to get your LAVITA tokens in other alternative sources other than staking, as well as the Theta network. Going on to additional information, seeing that in collaboration with IOTex_IO, Theta is making Deepin a more open and accessible ecosystem. Deepinscan.io makes it easier than ever to get involved with decentralized physical infrastructure networks. Check out Theta's page here. So just clicking on this altogether says if you want to join the Deepin movement, here it is. So seeing that Deepin scans all the individuals who are partnered, and you can see that lovely Theta logo that is mentioned here. Going on to the link here as well. So seeing here Deepin scan, it just shows you the graph, the chain, the token, and says the days to break even. Well, it looks like 2030, and then number of devices. I believe these are the edge nodes. Yeah, because the Guardian nodes, there's about 2,000 roughly. And it says the average device cost and the estimated daily earnings. So we shall see. I'm assuming these are the edge nodes, but I'm not sure if this map totally sees everything, because I feel like there would be more in Asia, but there's a fair amount in Europe and then a fair amount in the United States, which kind of looks nice. So it kind of tells you a nice little summary. As you can tell based on their scan, the prices fluctuate a little bit, but it's by 3 cents. It tells you a little bit more details about Theta and the current market cap. So it looks like here's a graph based on how long it is in a year. So right here, oh, it's been around that dollar mark for the year. I didn't even realize that. But it's just funny to I just keep on thinking about the highlighted when it was at like that $10-15 mark back in, I think that was 2019 roughly. But here's like the Theta markets. So if you want to compare different markets and things like that, it's kind of nice. It's kind of nice seeing this, and it shows you information for those who are trying to get into the project a little bit more. Didn't really notice that until right now as well in this video. Kind of nice. Sometimes it's like seeing the first things with you guys. Or seeing things with you guys for the first time is what I would say. Going on the fuse we're seeing here, upgrade your fuse guardian and experience the powerful exosuit. Enhance your arsenal with weapons like the precision focused droid sniper or the MV1, creating a lethal combination for dominating the battlefield. Ready to redefine your gameplay only on the Syndex. It looks like this project has been doing well. I did post some things about this project altogether, especially since it's on the Theta Network project. But I posted some videos, especially with Jinian earlier, in terms of how this gameplay is going, how the updates are going. It's just nice seeing that there's continuous updates for the community to see and participate in. I have not played the beta like at home before, but when I was at ThetaCon of 2022, that I did participate in then, but there has been much more developments on the project since then. So it's amazing to see how this game is going, and I'm looking forward to future maps while I'm skipping around in this video. But I'm looking forward to future maps, weapons, storytelling, and things like that for the community. It's just nice. I want to be a part of the gaming community again, and haven't done so since I was a kid, especially when Halo and Call of Duty were the prime games at the time back, I think it was like 2012. Going on to a little bit more, seeing that Mitch Liu says congrats. Looks like at POG Digital.
I'm hyped to officially be a part of the POG team. They got a bunch of cool things in the works coming up. They got their coin dropping in a couple months. The pre-sale is live now. I'm going to drop the link right here if you guys want to check it out. Yeah.
And if you don't know who this individual is, Andrea Berry helps us out. Seeing that, I believe it's Naya is his name, or Naya is considered one of the greatest skateboarders of all time and widely regarded as the greatest contest street boarder of all time. Sponsored by Nike, Diamond Supply, and you can see all the other type of sponsors that are incorporated with this individual. Another public figure. Of course, we've had our issues with public figures like Katy Perry before, so take it with a grain of salt, this information, but just showing you guys that more people are incorporating this type of NFT into their lifestyle. So I'm just hoping so that it continues in a positive way rather than the fiasco that happened with Katy Perry, unfortunately. Not too sure if they're going to revive that type of situation, but we shall see. It's just unfortunate. Just want to compare the two just because we've already had our experiences with some bad NFT celebrity matches, I would say. Scrolling down a little bit more, you can follow this individual on Instagram here as well. So like I said, guys, if you want to learn a little bit more, I post all the links down below in the description, especially for the links that I'm mentioning in this video. Going on to a little bit more, we're going to see that Open Theta, just a little bit more fun things for the project. Step into the world of digital expression with Open Theta's banner and frames feature. Personalize your profile and let your digital identity shine. So if you want to get a little bit more onto Open Theta, like a custom part aspect to it, this was going to be incorporated soon. Definitely check that out as well if you're on that Open Theta platform, as well as seeing the text-to-text image, text-to-video, large language models, risk analysis. It only makes sense to assume these jobs types are in the pipeline for the deployment of Theta Edge Cloud. The only question is for this individual, will these jobs come from Google Cloud or other enterprise users? Either way, we've seen this image before. I made this image before, or utilized this image before for the Theta Elite Edge node, the upgrade. So I'm just looking forward to more jobs. I feel like people are getting a lot more jobs every hour of every day. So if we're going to say that, so there's 24 hours in a day, and if we're getting one every hour, that's basically about 2.4 T-fuel every day roughly. So that's a lot, especially if you think about how many are in a week. So at 2.4 a day, that's 14 a week. 14 times 4, because roughly about 4 weeks in a month. So 14 times 4 is about 56 T-fuel in a month, and the price, if it goes up, then it's just passive income if you just do that quick math. And definitely comment down below if you agree with me or disagree with me in terms of the T-fuel pricing. But if the price goes up, it's going to be a lot easier for passive income, especially sharing your bandwidth. But if you want to check out this image, I'll put it down below as well, like I mentioned earlier. But that's just something to look forward to with the whole Google Cloud tech, as well as the Resorts Las Vegas, as well as the Golden Knights Las Vegas. But that is all I really have for today's video, guys. I'm really looking forward for the future of Theta. It's a lot of news that are coming out, and it's only January of 2024, so a lot more to look forward to. But definitely comment down below if you haven't yet. Especially, thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber. Would not be here without you guys. If you're a new viewer, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button, especially if you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnership, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Check out the Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT 20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. as well as my Theta Guardian node summary page if you're trying to stake your Theta tokens and earn as much T-Fuel passive income as possible, in addition to helping the network. And my Theta Guardian node, like I mentioned before and in previous videos, I'm about 1/5 of a Theta full Guardian node. So if you want to participate in that, it's been running very well. So looking forward to seeing you guys on the next video, hopefully on that Theta Guardian node. But until the next video, the next update, it is your boy Justin Passetti. So try to keep up. Hi, deuces.